Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you log into GoCardless.com. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to log in your GoCardless.com, you just simply have to open any of your browser at very first, and after opening the browser, simply search for GoCardless login. And after searching GoCardless login, this Manage GoCardless link will appear from GoCardless official site. Tap into that option and then it will open up this page for you. Now you just simply have to enter your email address at first, which you have used while making the GoCardless account. And after that, simply enter the GoCardless account password and tap to sign in button. And after doing this very easy steps, your GoCardless account will successfully be logged in into your browser. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.